Exercise Director of this MAREX, I hereby declare the Maritime Exercise 2024 in 1st Marine Brigade Area of Operation open, effective this day.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, isinagawa ang Joint Marine Exercise kasama ang tropa ng mga kano, kasama ang mga sundalong Army at Marines at mga pulis sa Central Mindanao. Layo nito na hubugin pa ang mga nakasanayang konsepto habang mas pinapalakas pa ang pakikipag-ugnayan at pagpapaunlad sa interoperability sa pagitan ng Philippine Marine Corps at United States Marine Corps. Lumahok ang mga tropa ng Philippine Marine Corps, Philippine Army, Regional Mobile Force Battalion 14 ng PNP, mga reservists at ang mismong mga US Marines.
This year's military exercise is another product of our nation's endeavor to strengthen the security in this part of the globe, not only from the threats of global terrorism, but also from threats brought about by calamities and natural disasters. As the one primary responsible in securing the people, it is imperative for us to be prepared with any eventualities that may come our way. That is why the MAREX does not only cover simulations on military operations, but also community relations and humanitarian assistance as well. We all know that in any military operations, the utmost priority is the well-being of the civilian, who will be caught in the middle of the firefight. That is why civilian considerations is given the highest consideration during the planning.
This is the first exercise with the U.S. counterparts, and ang nakikita ko, this is a good opportunity to showcase yung strong alliance between the United States and the Philippine Armed Forces. Particularly, participating in this exercise are the members of the 1st Marine Brigade of the Philippine Marine Corps, and also dinagdag na rin namin yung mga Army guys coming from the Division Reconnaissance Company of the 6th Infantry Division, as well as those from the reservists of the Philippine Navy. Tsaka pinadagdag na rin natin itong mga ating counterparts from the Philippine National Police para mas, sabi ko nga, the bigger, the better.
Our countries have been allies for longer than any of us have been alive. We continue to work together to advance our mutual interests, to defend our mutual sovereignty, and to demonstrate to anyone that if they want to threaten this region, they will have to contend with two forces who have been working, training, and preparing together for decades and are capable of facing anything that will come. The next 2 weeks will be one of many small steps we'll take this year, but those small steps add up to great advancements in our ability to operate together. So, gentlemen, thank you again for having us here today, for hosting us for the next few weeks, and I look forward to the great things that will come from this exercise and our continued partnership.
Layon din ng nasabing aktibidad na mapaunlad pa ang kaalaman at kakayahan lalo na sa pakikipagkomunikasyon at iba pang mga estratehiya. Katulad na lamang sa Sensing at Coastal Defense Capability Operations ng Hukbong Sandatahang Lakas ng Central Mindanao. Special Operations, Bilateral Cooperation at Small Unit Tactical Operations na idinisenyo upang bigyan pa ng mas malawak na kapasidad ang pinagsamang lakas ng mga hukbo sa pagsasagawa ng imaging operating concepts na nakatutok sa Maritime Security Operations, Amphibious Assault Operations at Special Operations, kabilang na ang Surface Force Insertions.
This exercise has also been the platform for the exchange of ideas and expertise between the members of our nation's armed forces. Subject matter experts in the field of operations, tactics, logistics, planning and communication have been given a chance to share their expertise to their counterparts, and were also given a chance to further learn and develop their craft. By aligning our procedures, tactics, and communication, we enhance our capabilities and readiness, leading to a more synchronized response to evolving challenges within the region. As allies, it is advantageous to our nation that we develop a high level of interoperability among our military. Exercises such as this increase our ability to work together in response to crises across the military spectrum in order to accomplish the mission. It is through training that we'll develop chemistry and be able to work together seamlessly.
This is a showcase of our strong alliance between the United States Armed Forces as well as the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Also, this will be a venue for to enhance yung interoperability natin of both armies, as well as yung showcase of the regional security. Pinapakita natin na nandito yung mga foreign armies, hindi sila natatakot because BARM, particularly Maguindanao del Norte, is a safe place to have exercise with, and also it will be an opportunity for the locals for business to prosper.
Magtatagal ng 10 araw ang nasabing aktibidad. Aasahan na makakatulong din ang MAREX para mas maisulong pa ang kaayusan at kapayapaan sa BARM region. Mula dito sa 1st Marine Brigade, kasama si Arwin Falcon at Carla Mangitmit, ako si Crisbel May Lorenzo para sa Kutang Batu News.